the Knowledge Mind viewers. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is social media marketing plan with the help of ChatGPT. We can do this social media marketing by using ChatGPT. Actually, under the social media, we are using several social media platforms: WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Twitter, and LinkedIn, Skype, several social medias nowadays we are using social medias to promote our products with the viewers or the audience. So we need to use the perfect marketing plan, then only we can sell our product to the customer. So with the help of ChatGPT we can do the marketing. So let me see, by using the ChatGPT, how can we do the marketing. So let me see. So I'm going to move to the topic. So I'm going to open the ChatGPT. Actually, you can navigate to the ChatGPT by enter the URL, that is chat.openai.com. Then you will notice this UI. This is the ChatGPT dashboard, and here I'm going to link the ChatGPT with Google Chrome extension. So I'm going to search under the search bar AIPRM, that is the Google extension, which helps to link the ChatGPT, and this will help us to do the marketing plan. So I'm going to choose the first result, that is AIPRM for ChatGPT. This is the Google Chrome extension. You need to add this extension with your Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to click that, and here this is opening in the new tab. So you need to do one thing is you need to add this extension to the Chrome. You need to click on that, and here you need to click add the extension. Then only you will navigate and easily connect this ChatGPT with those extensions. And here you will notify your ChatGPT will ready to collaborate with that extension, which means AIPRM. You need to click on continue, then only you can connect this OpenAI and AIPRM accounts. So you need to click on continue button. So I'm going to click. Then you will need to connect your account with an agreement. So you need to click on the checkbox and you need to click on connect with Google account. Then you need to choose your Google account that you want to connect with that ChatGPT. So you need to select that account, and then you need to clarify those conditions, and you need to click on that, and you need to make sure your connection and access. So you need to click on continue. So here there was an error because of the connection error. So you need to click again and connect again, and let us see. Here I'm going to choose my account again. And here you need to click on continue. Yes, this pop-up saying you need to verify your email address, because the link for the connection that has sent to your email address. So you need to verify your account. So I'm going to open my inbox. Let's see. Yeah, I received the mail from the AIPRM and I need to confirm it. So you need to click on this link. I am going to click this link and I confirm my email account, and then again I'm going to connect this with OpenAI account. So after that, I need to go to the ChatGPT. So let me see. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to connect this again. So I need to move to the ChatGPT. So I'm going to open. Yeah. Now you can see the differentiation between the AIPRM ChatGPT and normal ChatGPT. This is the view of the ChatGPT after adding this AIPRM extension. So you can observe there are a lot of topics are available. You can search many of the category of topics from this topic Dropbox. If you want to find the marketing related content, you may choose this marketing. If you want to find SEO related or any of the software engineering, you need to pick it from the topic category. So and there's another option. You can choose the subcategory by choosing any of the content from the activity Dropbox, and you can sort those filterization options because you can find the suggestions, which means the results by the top usage, top viewers. You can find the top trending topics and the latest updates topic. So those are the filtration you can utilize as per your wish and as per your needs. And here I'm going to pick it as not specific, and you can find several topics. And here this is another option. You can type the particular topic if you want to search the particular topic. I'm going to search related some Facebook, so I type Facebook and you will get those as per the search result. And the only thing is you need to pick that I'm seeking for the good topic. That's why scrolling, I'm going to raise this Facebook and I'm going to pick the topic to show the demo. So let's pick the trending topic. And here you can click on the next button and this will help to navigate to the second page, and you can find those prompts under the second page. And yes, and I'm going to pick the topic. Yeah, I'm going to create the advertisement for a social media, so I'm going to choose this topic, so I'm going to click that. Yes, after click on that prompt, you will notify that there's an option. You need to type the topic ad should be above. So you need to enter the topic description to create the advertisement. So I'm going to type my description under this. So I'm going to type, I want to advertise. Sorry, I want to put an advertisement for my YouTube channel, Knowledge Find It. So I'm typing for my YouTube channel, Knowledge Find It. And it is an educational channel. So I'm going to enter. So let's see the result. And here there is an option. You can pick the language, and here the tone. Also you can choose the tone which you want. And you can choose the writing style, whether you want the poetic description or normal sentence. So as per the filtration, you can change. Here my ad has been generated. Here, yeah, actually you will get the really fantastic plan. If you want to get the plan for 30 days, you can get 30 days advertisement plan for your social media with the title and the specific description. Then only you can automatically pause your advertisement upon your social media walls. So that is the great thing. And here the option is you can change the topic if you want to search related things upon the topic which called that is software engineering, and you can search related web development from the particular area. You can create the content. So this great option. You can learn a lot upon your particular area by connecting this Google extension AIPRM with your ChatGPT. So that is the great thing. And here you can, in this manner, you can search Angular component generator, and here you can search your question. So this is the great thing. So I'm going to close this prompt, and again I'm going to show you after you have prepared your marketing plan, you need to elaborate your plan, which means elaborate your advertisement in a graphical or a visual manner, which means you need to prepare the image or a advertisement banner. So you can use this from the OpenAI. The application name is DAL_E. So it is the AI image generator. Only thing that you want to do is you need to write the description about your image. So you can just copy and paste your description of your image, and here I'm typing the image description, girl with logo, that is knowledge find IT. So it might be hard to find and create the knowledge find IT logo, so because it is the AI generator. So I'm going to enter the description in an easy way. A girl with flower. So couldn't generate because the description is not enough. So I'm going to write a girl with flower wear red color frock and having jasmine flower. No, it didn't work. So I'm going to get the help from the ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask the description from the ChatGPT. That's why I'm going to move. So let's see. And there's an option you can create the collection under this DALI, and you can generate. I'm going to type under the ChatGPT for the description I need. That's why I'm going to type the description. So cancel, and I'm going to put. Yes, I'm going to type image description of girl having flower. So let me see. Yeah, it is generating the nice image description. I need to just copy that description, and I'm going to paste under this generate, and here you can generate the image as per your wish. So that is the great thing. You can find the content from the GPT and AIPRM extension collaboration. You can get the proper social media marketing plan, and then you will get the help from the DALI, and you can generate your marketing plan advertisement image from the help of DALI. So that is a great thing. And here you can upload your image and edit your ads by uploading the picture, and you can find the beautiful image using DALI also. So I hope you will understand several things, how to get the digital marketing plan from the ChatGPT and AIPRM collaboration, and how to generate the description in the image manner as per the marketing plan. So let me see in another video. Thank you. Bye.